And sanitation has been at the center of the controversy during the entire Sleeps protest.
Lane County's senior public health officer checked it out for himself, and only on KEZI 9 News this morning, he talks about his concerns. KEZI 9 News reporter Grace Lim, that is live in the studio with this exclusive interview. Grace.
The Board of Commissioners asked Dr. Patrick Luedtke to weigh in on the condition of the site before coming to the decision to close the plaza for cleaning. Dr. Luedtke visited the camp 6 days in the past week, and while he's all for freedom of speech and assembly, his findings revealed a health risk to the occupants and the public.
Well, I've seen worse. I've seen better.
Lane County Senior Public Health Officer Dr. Patrick Luedtke spoke for the first time about his observations at the Sleeps camp at the Wayne Morse Free Speech Plaza. This comes after the Lane County Board of Commissioners voted 4-1 to enact an emergency closure of the plaza and the nearby Butterfly parking lot.
Anytime we have a large group of people together sharing air and food and shelter and clothing, we have risks. And it was very clear that there were some risks there.
After his first visit to the site, he said the level of disease transmission risk exceeded his level of comfort.
There were varieties of foodstuffs laying around, and that's a problem because it attracts rats and mice. Right now we have a big pertussis problem that's growing in our county. And it is getting worse. I have a concern with that.
And the significant risk of respiratory illnesses contracted through air contact, something seen in 2011 when the home base for Occupy Atlanta tested positive for tuberculosis. But in Dr. Luedtke's most recent visits, he says the site has gotten a lot cleaner.
The food tent, they did a really good job. It's clean in there. They're restricting access so people aren't coming in with dirty hands.
Still, from a public health standpoint, Dr. Luedtke says everyday demonstrators are out there. The health risks increase for both the occupants and the community. His prescription isn't to clear the protesters out, but to clean up the area.
People should be able to protest. They shouldn't be protesting in a site that is unhealthful to them or others. So we clean things up and we provide a venue for them to do so in a safe manner.
After the county cleans up the plaza, if Sleeps demonstrators choose to return, Dr. Luedtke says a rotating schedule to clean the grounds would be in the best interest of the public's health. In the studio, Grace Lim, KEZI 9 News.